Okay, this is Sopot, and it's another fantastic view. Similar to the United Emirates. I don't have zoom on this, so this will have to do. I've really enjoyed doing the last couple of videos. They were just so breathtaking. The one in the United Emirates was unbelievable. As this one is. There seems to be something coming off the side of it, or out from behind it. On the right as you're looking at it. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick that up. But it is separate. Well, it looks that way. It's round. They're going to be covering that up pretty soon. Look at the holographic sky. Yeah, they'll probably be covering that up. Completely different color too. Got a lot of white in it. Yeah, they're doing something. Oh, it is round. That is another object, possibly. Sure is. I saw a video earlier where someone showed something like this. Maybe it was MBB333, I'm not sure. Yes, it is separate, and it is round. I think they're going to fix that though right now. Yeah, they're making that bigger and brighter to cover that up. I wonder if that's how they're doing it. Why are we not getting a reflection of that big white ball right below it? We're getting the pink. We'd be up above the ISS, but they're not showing anything. They've got us on a different camera, so can't watch this. So I decided I have to come down here and watch and take from here, just to see what's going on. And they are staying busy around the clock for years now. Found out a couple of the tools they use. I don't think I taped these conversations they had, though. I delete a lot of videos from up there and don't upload them. But I know they use Ziploc bags to protect things, and they pack things in salt, and they get cargo deliveries often. And let's see, what else? This is gonna freeze, I think. Alright. Just little details that I pay attention to. The things they use, what they talk about. You can learn a lot. Like, they lose connection when they talk to their families. It takes 40-some minutes to get a clear signal. Well, geez, in the land of satellites, you'd think they'd have a good connection. Some people think they're building new worlds up there, Asgardia for one of them, for example. I'm going to show you the sky if I can. We already know the reflection isn't matching the sky. I'm going to run this the whole 15. We got 3 minutes left. You can always speed it up. I don't know how to do that, or I would do it on the upload, but I don't know how. People think I'm a little knowledgeable in tech, but I'm not. Not at all. I'm very illiterate. Look at that sky. Can't make really a shorter video when it takes so long for this process. There's just no way to do it. But you can do it on your end. I'm not sure if you're so into this, but I am. And for whoever is, this is a share. Hope you like it. And we are going to run out of time. A little over a minute left. So where do you think the little white circle was? Behind the big one? Or is it up here being disguised? It's here somewhere. We just don't know where it is, you know?